guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, real quickly, I'm going to do my monthly Grove haul. I'm still loving Grove. Link's gonna be down below where you guys can get some free product if you sign up and spend $20. So if you see anything in this haul that you guys want to try out, link down below, click it. So anyway, I'm just gonna get started. I'm in a different place today. I also feel extremely weird because I'm on a first floor apartment and I'm sitting right in front of my windows and I'm praying that no one walks by and thinks, what are you doing? So, you know, YouTube props. But I'm actually sitting in my living room today just to switch things up. Also, I need to clean, so, you know. But I wanted to film this video for you guys and get this up, so we're making it work here in the living room. Hope you guys enjoy this. All right, so the first thing that I picked up are these walnut scrubber sponges, whatever. I've heard that these are really good and they don't smell bad. I actually have some, but I'm kind of one of those people that, like, I didn't want to try it out and then love it and then not have any more. So they weren't expensive. I don't remember exactly how much they were, but I was like, I'll just pick up another packet. That way, if I love them, I have some backups. I don't know. That's my thought process. The next thing that I picked up is this Method foaming bathroom cleaner in eucalyptus mint. If you guys have watched my clean with me videos, you know that I use this all the time and I'm starting to run out. So I went ahead and picked up another one because I love using that to scrub my bathroom. I picked up the Mrs. Meyer's body wash in the scent Honeysuckle. You guys know I have been loving the honeysuckle scent, and so I wanted to have it in a body wash. Like, hello, yes. I'm gonna put that all over me. I picked up the Caldrea room spray. This one is in ginger pomelo, I think is how you say it. This is the only one they had available. I wanted to get the pear agave one, but I was like, I'll try this one out. I have been loving the other one, the Caldrea sea salt neroli spray, and so I just love room sprays. They're just so nice. You can spray them all over the apartment and it just smells really good. So I wanted to pick this one up, and I also want to get like the other ones in the collection. I'm obsessed, guys. I'm obsessed. Next up, I picked up the Mrs. Meyer's multi-service spray in the scent basil. Every time I'm at Target, I smell this. I think I need to get it, and I just never do. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna order it on Grove. I think this might actually be my favorite product that I picked up this month. As you guys can tell, I've already opened the package. I've smelled everything. Like, just, I have a problem. But this one might actually be my favorite. I love the scent. I cannot wait to use this. Oh my gosh. It is the Caldrea countertop spray, and this is in pear blossom agave. Yes. You need this, guys. You need this one. This one smells so good. I'm not really sure why everybody says sea salt neroli is their favorite. While that does smell pretty good, this one, oh my gosh. I want to spray it all over me. Is that weird? Probably, but I love this stuff. Also, I want to apologize. I just realized like how super dark it is in the background. We have some really dark furniture in our living room, and it just makes it look like really dark. I'm so sorry, guys. Next up, I got the Method stain remover. I've been trying like all the different laundry detergents and whatever, but I figured I would try a stain remover to see how I liked it. So I decided to pick up the Method one. I don't know, there's no method to my madness. See what I did there? Oh my gosh, I'm such a dork and I'm in such a weird mood right now. But I am excited to try this. I need to like get a stain on my shirt so I can try this. I don't know. The next thing I got is this deodorant in a jar. It is rose and vanilla. I really wanted to try this because I just really want to try natural deodorants. But this one has a very like perfumey, like, how can I say this? Like it smells kind of like a grandma's perfume, to be honest. Like, and I'm not talking like, if you're a grandma, don't get offended. I'm talking like a 90-year-old would wear. Also, if you're 90, I'm not meaning to offend you, but that's the smell that it reminds me of. So I don't know how well I'm gonna like this, to be honest, because it kind of, I'm not a huge fan. It's probably because it's rose And that's probably what I'm thinking I'm smelling, and like associating that with like 90-year-old grandmas. I don't know. Maybe that's why. So I'm sorry if you're offended. It's just like that, like the rose smell, I'm just not a huge fan of. And I guess I wasn't thinking about it when I ordered this, that it was gonna smell quite like this, because I thought, oh, the vanilla, but it's okay. We're gonna try it out and I will see if I like it. I really want to find a good all natural deodorant, because I don't want to keep putting on like gross stuff on me. But I don't know, natural deodorant, I've tried other ones and they like, I smell within an hour and I'm just like, so we will see. So I picked up the Mrs. Meyer's basil scent in the hand sanitizer. I have been loving the Grove hand sanitizer in blood orange, but I also really like the basil scent and I wanted to pick this one up and try it. I've just been loving having these all natural hand sanitizers on hand. They come in handy when you're on a road trip and you have to use a disgusting bathroom and you wash your hands but you still feel gross. Hand sanitizer, guys. Can't stress that one enough. Like, you need hand sanitizer on those road trips. Right, next I picked up this Method hand wash in Sweetwater. This is the one I use in the guest bathroom. I really like it and we're about to run out, so I was like, I need to pick this up. All right, and then the last two things that I have are actually things that I got for free for spending a certain amount of money, which is one thing that I love about Grove, is I feel like I get free stuff all the time because I'm always spending money with them, but you know. So the first one is the Honeycrisp Apple hand soap by Method. I love, like, if you guys have watched any of my cleaning videos, anything, you guys know that I absolutely love the Honeycrisp Apple scent. I love that spray. Like, it just like, it makes me love cleaning because I want my apartment to smell like an apple. It's weird, but it is my all-time favorite cleaning spray scent, and I had to get it in the hand soap. I don't know where this one's gonna go because I actually have the mint scent in Mrs. Meyer's in my bathroom, so, and then I have the honeysuckle in the kitchen, so I'm gonna have to wait until I go through one of those. But oh my gosh, guys, I actually want to open it and smell it right now. Yes, oh my gosh, yes. So just do yourself a favor, Honeycrisp Apple scent and everything. Like, if they made this in a body wash, I'd be all over it. If they made this in a room spray, like, my apartment would never stop smelling like apples. It kind of reminds me of Country Apple by Bath & Body Works, which is of course a discontinued scent because Bath & Body Works hates my life, but that's a whole other story. They don't really, they just always discontinue my favorite scents. But that's actually what this smells like, is the Country Apple scent that Bath & Body Works used to have. So yeah, if you liked that, try this. And then the last thing that I got is this 7th generation disinfectant spray. It was free. Like, if you spent a certain amount of money, you got this for free, and they didn't let you choose what it was. Like with the soap, I knew that I was getting a soap for free, but they would let you pick out the scent. This, they didn't let you pick out what you get for free. This is like a citrusy scent, and it's exciting because I don't like germs, and so this will be nice to just like kind of spray and disinfect stuff. But I think it would be great if you were a mom and you were like wanting to spray down your kids like toys and such. I know when I've worked like in childcare or like in the nursery at church, they will use like something to just kind of like spray everything and disinfect everything. So I think this would be really great if you're a mom. I'm not a mom, nor do I ever plan on becoming a mom, but I think that if I was a mom, that would be great. I mean, I'm a mom to my fur baby, but I don't need to disinfect stuff for her, so you know what I mean? Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe and the little bell notification so you don't miss any videos from me. And click that link down below. That'll take you to the Grove site where you can get some free products. You can try their stuff out. I highly recommend. And I am not sponsored by them. Grove doesn't even know, they don't even know me other than I order from them, but they don't like know that I even put this on YouTube. They don't know how much I love their stuff other than I keep ordering. But not sponsored, but I love the Grove. I love all the products that I've tried out so far. There's not really been one where I'm like, ooh, I don't like that. There's been some that I don't love as much as others, but overall, just the Grove, their customer service is great. Their shipping, everything is great. So if you guys are into non-toxic cleaning products and you want a good deal, click the link down below. Other than that, I guess I just need to tell you guys, I will see you guys in my next video coming really soon. Also, I'm wanting to do like more Q&As, more like have you guys get to know me, because I know that I've gained quite a few new people following me. So if you guys want to know something about me, leave it in the comments below so I can do a Q&A video for you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.